Beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm still here in New York City, and today I finally did a little bit of shopping because I've been working so much I haven't had time to hit up the shops and go to any of the stores. But today I did go to Blue Mercury. So Blue Mercury is actually in the hotel that I'm staying at, so that's why I got to go. Otherwise, I really haven't been able to leave the hotel. But I am hoping today to go to Bergdorf's, maybe Chanel, see what's new. Just, I really want to go to the Bergdorf's beauty section and see all the new, beauty products and makeup and perfumes. So anyway, though, I'm super excited though, because I did get some nice things today at Blue Mercury. So I'm very excited to show them to you and to test them for myself because I just got back. I just came upstairs with my package, so I haven't even unboxed them myself. So I can't wait to see what they are. And I did actually the other day before I left for the city, I went to Ulta. So I figure I'll show you those things too, maybe if we have time. But you guys, I'm so excited. I got this today. Now, I've been using the Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat eye gels, and those are truly miracle workers. I have never seen anything like what those masks will do to your eye. It's truly unbelievable how it will plump and give you 10 years younger look with just using those Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat eye gels. And I was wanting to use them while I'm here in the city, and and while I just want to use them all the time, to be to be completely honest, but I forgot them. So I went down to Blue Mercury actually hoping that they had some in stock, but they didn't carry Peter Thomas Roth, I don't believe. But I did see the Jill Dempsey eye masks. And now Jill Dempsey is a makeup artist in Hollywood, and she's also married to Patrick Dempsey. And I saw actually her videos with Patrick, and she does his makeup and she makes him look incredible. She really transforms him. It's really, really amazing when you see her videos. And she travels the world with him and she does his makeup before his premieres, and it seems so romantic. I don't know. I just being a couple and helping each other and supporting each other like that. But, I wanted to purchase something from her makeup line, but I didn't know what. But then I saw these videos now, these kind of, they're kind of ads, but she's doing a demo showing these eye patches, and they looked so unbelievable. And I do believe these are silicone eye patches. So they're hydrating, 10 pairs. They are very pricey, $75 for 10 pairs. I'm not sure if they're reusable, but it says it's a hyaluronic acid and almond oil. So I don't know, but I wanted to try them from the videos on Instagram that I saw because it looked amazing. Well, let me try it myself also and get back to you, but they looked amazing what they were doing in the before and afters. So after trying, I had pretty much given up on eye masks, but after trying the Peter Thomas Roth ones and getting that amazing result, now I'm kind of like, wow, maybe other ones do work. So I'm like, otherwise I would never have purchased those. If the Peter Thomas Roth didn't work so good, I would never have purchased those because I have never had any luck with eye masks, any of them. But again, the 24 karat ones, Peter Thomas Roth, and hopefully those will work. If they don't, but I'm telling you, if you're in the market, I can tell you 100%, the Peter Thomas Roth will make you look like you had filler put in your eyes. It's amazing. So let's keep it moving. Then they had a makeup artist there, or a specialist, a skincare specialist, I'm not sure, but she was so knowledgeable, and she was really telling me how amazing these products are from Sisley. So out of all the products that they had in the Sisley line, they had quite a few, she said that the Black Rose products are the best. So I did get this kind of little discovery set here, and in this set, I mean, she said the Black Rose mask is amazing out of all the Sisley masks. And then she said the cream is amazing. So I did get this set here again, which has the cream, it has the mask, and then it also has something else here. I'm not really sure. Is that the eye cream? But it's the Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream set. So I can't wait to try it because they did have a lot from Sisley. And again, she was saying that this one is amazing. So they had like 10 different masks, and she said that the Black Rose mask is the best. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So let's see here. So, oh, you're getting, actually you get it looks like you're getting the full size of the skin cream. And then, oh, and then just, well, it's good. This is good, to see how I like it. But here was this is a body veil. So I could try this right now. And then this is the mask, the Black Rose mask. So let me try a little bit of the body cream here. So let's see, because this looks, I love samples. I'm pretty much a sample addict. And she gave me a bunch of samples. So this does feel really good so far. And let's see, is there a scent? Very light scent. It smells kind of botanical, which I like, you know. It smells natural, very, very light, very clean scent. So it does feel really good on my legs and my hands. So, you know, I can't wait to try everything else out, and I'll get back to you and let you know. I mean, she even said use a very small amount. You don't need to use a lot of Sisley products. I actually have a Sisley primer type product. I've had that for 2 years and it still has not run out, and it's still amazing because you just need a drop to get this incredible effect. So these are all the samples that she gave me. Actually, I'm just reaching in. Oh, she gave me the body sculpting gel. Now, she said this is amazing from Sisley. She said this really works and it's unbelievably amazing. So I'm so glad she gave me a sample because I'll try that out and then see if it really works. And then I'll probably want to get that. You know, I'm a skincare addict. Oh, here is the eye contour mask. These are all Sisley, I believe. So let's see here, 10 minutes, and then you tissue, and then you actually put this on for 10 minutes. It's a mask just for your eyes. Wow. And then carefully tissue off without rinsing. So can't wait to try that. And then here is the, this is a luminous ultra lasting foundation sample. So nice. I'm gonna try all this tomorrow. Maybe we could try it out together. And then here is a makeup remover for eyes. And then, oh, what's this? This is is this a shampoo? I did use the mask. They gave me a Sisley hair mask. It's amazing. I used it twice now already. Love it. So I would definitely pick that up in the future. But this is a restorative and thermal action. This is a cream from Sisley. I would love to try the Sisley shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to try that next. This is, it says apply to the links and then before heat styling. So this you put in your hair when it's damp and then you go ahead and style it. So can't wait to try that. And then here is a brightening and hydrating lotion. And then here is another anti-aging protection, all day, all year protection cream. And so can't wait to try this. And then I did get this, guys. Now I was very surprised because I thought I didn't like this brand of fragrances. This is Ellis Brooklyn, but you know, I never tried this one. And this smelled amazing. So this one is the vanilla milk fragrance. And I am so excited. I smelled this and I said, wow, you know, if you love vanilla fragrances, this is beautiful. And I do love vanilla fragrances. The bottle's very, very beautiful. But let's go ahead and put some on. But you know, some of them just don't smell like anything. Oh, this is really nice. There's something more to this. There's something more, a little bit of depth to this, that it's not a regular vanilla fragrance. It has something to it. Maybe a little spiciness. I'm not sure. I'll have to look up the notes, but it's beautiful. It's not your average vanilla fragrance. And what I really like about this is that I want to mix it in with my other fragrances because I like a little bit of vanilla in everything. And, you know, so that's what I'm planning to do with this. Although it smells incredible on its own. So maybe, you know, well, I have my other fragrances that I love. So I've been wearing now my Delina perfume. So I would like to mix this in with Delina even just to give it a little bit of vanilla warmth because that's very sweet. So love that. That smells so good. I'm really glad I got that. And I was wearing my Tom Ford the other day, Bitter Peach, and that didn't really last very long. I was surprised. I feel like it didn't last that long. Also, the Tom Ford Vanilla Sex. I don't like that fragrance. I smell absolutely nothing. And I thought it was just me, but there's a few people that are perfume experts here on YouTube, and they do reviews, and they said also everybody says Vanilla Sex has no scent. It's nothing. It's, you know, boring. They said that's the joke of it, vanilla sex, like boring sex. So I don't know. But anyway, here is another Sisley sample. That one smells so good though. You definitely do smell. You smell it and it smells really nice. So here is another product, instant and long term. Oh, this is, I think, like that primer product. So then the makeup art, there was actually another makeup artist there from this brand. I don't know how to say it. It sounds like it's a German brand, Kajer Weiss, Copenhagen, Milano. I'm not sure, but this is a cream bronzer and he applied it to me with this brush. So naturally I had to have it. Now because I was like, I just love the whole experience. I never get my makeup done, so it was just so nice. And I felt like I just had a good time. So I said, let me go ahead and support the makeup artist here. And plus I don't know if I wouldn't have bought this if he didn't put it on me. but you get a like a refillable, and then you have to buy the package too. But oh, is this it? Oh, there's a, okay. But the color did look gorgeous. And then he took this brush, and now this was what was different that I really was like, wow, that's, I want to show you guys in case you're interested. But he put it like this on me. I wanted to show you in case you want to try this. But he said that you put it on your cheekbones, actually way up here. Oh, but look how it blends into my skin. And it's really beautiful. So I usually put bronzer and contour things here, and he said no, he likes to put them up here, and he taps it on with this kind of brush here. So I just got this brush too. This is also from the line KJAER. I'm not sure how to say that, but he taps it on, and yeah, it's very natural looking, very effortless. He did put some on me before I came to talk to you, so I did have some on already. But yeah, just, I have powder on my face too, and look, it blends over the powder like a dream. So, and then he put some on my nose. So like, that's how he did it, up high, not in here, up here. What do you guys think? So then when you buy that though, so I bought those two, and then you have to buy a case for the product. So you get this little red leather, faux leather case, and then you just pop this in. So I had to buy that, but you know, I had fun. That's what matters. That's what matters. I love makeup and skincare, of course. So that's beautiful. That's beautiful packaging. Look when you close it. So it feels like nice, like crock embossed or something like that. And so he was saying how when you put the bronzer up here though, it's going to look more sun-kissed. So that's why he does that. So now here is just a few other things that I did pick up right before I left. I just want to show you really quickly, but I got this. I am wearing this today. I've been wearing this and I love it. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm X Glow Filter Priming Serum. Love this. It says it's going to sculpt your skin and over time instantly illuminates, but it's also going to make your skin sculpted, more sculpted and firmer over time. So I've been using this. I love it. So guys, I just had to move because my leg is falling asleep. I'm sitting on the floor because I don't have any lighting, and this is the only lighting that I could find, so that's why it's a little weird. But so I did pick this up the other day. This is the Natasha Denona New Pressed, is it powder foundation, or is it just, yeah, powder foundation, talc free. So it does come with a sponge, and I've been using this. I really like it. I love that it's talc free, so that's most important to me. I love talc-free to use talc-free powder. It does come with, again, a little, did I tell you, it comes with a little sponge, but really like that. And then I also did get a few other things here. I got these new from REM, Ariana Grande's makeup company. This is the Essential Drip. So I got two of these. I got the pink one and then the Cherry Cola. I love her lip glosses. They're so beautiful, so I couldn't resist trying these out. So this is the Cherry Cola color, and then here I think I got the pink one. Yes, this one is called Skinny Dipped, so this is a more pink tone. And let's see how this one looks. I'm just unboxing these first time with you guys, so here is, let's try this one on. And then I got a few other things here. I just really want to try this gloss quick because they look so beautiful. So I'm just going to put on a little lip liner. So here it is, and oh, that's really nice. It feels really nice on your lips, very kind of gel-like. It has a thick feeling to it, which I personally like because then I feel like they're not, you know, they're not going to come off as easily. Beautiful, wow. Very kind of Barbie-esque. Love this, wow. And I also finally did get this Patrick Ta for the face. This is that cream bronzer and powder bronzer duo. So this is really nice. Now I think I got the wrong color for me. I got She Sculpted. It should be the right color for me, but I kind of feel like it kind of blends away easily. I don't know. But I'm glad I got it. I've been using it. I definitely will continue to use it. It's very creamy. But wow, now that I see this product, I'm so glad that I got this because I wasn't sure in store. Can you ever like get your makeup done and you just feel uncomfortable and you can't really think straight? I get like nervous, but I'm so glad I got this because actually now that I'm looking at it, I love it. And it's such a gorgeous color. And I do love how it looks sun-kissed, how he put it up high. So it does definitely give you that sun-kissed look. So that was a great purchase. I'm so glad I got that. So beauties, that's everything for my haul today, my Blue Mercury haul, and just a few other things that I just got, some new makeup 2024. But I just wanted to hop on and share those with you and hopefully You know, hopefully I'll get out because I really want to go to the Bergdorf's beauty section and I want to try all the perfumes that they have those exotic perfumes you can't find anywhere else. So I definitely want to try those. And you know, they always have different makeup that you just, again, you can't find anywhere else. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and spending time with me today, checking out my haul here. I hope you dolls are all doing good. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It helps me out so much. So I will see you, beauties, very soon. Have a great day. See you. Love you guys. Bye.